the unboxing of the new Sony travel zoom lens 18 to 135. So this is just the unboxing. The review will come in about 2 weeks or so. It's probably nothing in there because it's not a G series or anything like that. Yes, of course, it's just the lens and the hood. In style, it's similar in looks to the 28-70, but it's actually all metal. Also, the zoom rings are metal. Everything. It's quite light. Let me see how it balances on the camera. Yeah, sorry for that. It's really great. It's I would say it feels much heavier than the 16-70 f4, but you know, the zoom range is much better. It actually doesn't protrude that much. The filter is, I think, 55, yeah. So if you have filters from your 16-70 and want to change the lens, you will have the same filters here. Okay, I'm just gonna go outside and show you the zoom range, and expect the review in a short while. This is 18 and we are going to 135 and back to 18.